Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 error code E0-17. So if you're getting this load failed and error occurred while trying to load your saved data and the error code is E0-17, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to turn off metered connection. So open Windows settings. On the left click on network and internet. Then click on your Wi-Fi. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi, and here you will see metered connection. It is turned on. If it is turned on, then turn it off, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to rename host's file name and restart your PC. Now please take a note, if you want you can keep the backup of the host file to desktop so that you can always restore it if this fix doesn't work. Also note that renaming the host file will remove all the manual block telemetry, Microsoft domains, add domains, etc. So if you have logged any Microsoft in your host file located in this path on your PC, then go to this path and rename the host file name to hostsBackup or hostsold. Then restart your PC, it is important, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So go to this path. So open C drive, open Windows folder, open System32 folder, open the driver folder. Here it is, open it. Then open the etc folder, and here you will find the hosts file. Now first right click it and then copy it, and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this file. Now right click it and then select rename. You can either rename it to backup or you can also rename it to old, and then click as to confirm. And after renaming the host file, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to update the Xbox app and gaming services. So open the Microsoft Store app on your PC. Then go to the Downloads tab. And here you will see Xbox app. And next to it, if you find any update available, then update it. Next, look for the gaming services. Here it is. Again, next to gaming services, if you find any update option, then update it. And after updating both Xbox app and gaming services, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to start gaming services repair tool. So open Xbox app, click on your profile, and then click on support. Here you will see gaming services repair tool. Click on it and then click on start repairing. Click yes to confirm. Now just wait for this repair process to get complete because it will take some time. And once the repair has been completed for all this, then you can close it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to verify the game files. So if you have the game on Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. You have to right click on Forza Horizon game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you have the game on Xbox app, then open Xbox app, then select the Forza Horizon 6 game and then click on this 3 dot and then click on manage. Go to the files tab and then click on verify and repair. This is just an example I'm showing with another game. And after the verification and repair has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the Forza Horizon 6 game and check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Forza Horizon 6 error code E0-17 on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.